Your stock market wrap up for Wednesday, June 8th. Back to the downside overall for U.S. markets right across the board. We did have a lot of individual areas of the market, however, showing all kinds of strengths. So a bit of a contrast when you see this board. 1% for the S&P when all is said and done. 0.8 for the Dow, the NASDAQ 0.8 as well. Another day, another huge move here for crude oil, 2.6% to the upside. We get to 124. Do we get to all-time highs, and when is maybe a better question. 3.8% to the downside and 2.8 for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin did hang on to that key 30,000 level, though. Here's what you missed if you were away today, a ton actually. Alibaba, yeah, look at this daily chart. A monster candle for Alibaba back to the upside. Chinese officials, Chinese government saying they're continuing the reopening process in the country, and they're also actively seeking foreign investment for tech stocks and tech companies in the country. So all of the Chinese ADRs with huge days today, 107.5 up to 120 for Alibaba. We were watching Roku as well. There were rumors floating around and a report, in fact, that Netflix could have interest in Roku. It was up huge today. CNBC then put some cold water on that report, suggesting that there was absolutely no substance to it. Twitter got an update as well. Twitter comes out, says they're going to do whatever Elon wants them to as far as data is concerned, and also updated some of their numbers as well. So Twitter back to the upside on that. Let's go to Novavax here real quick. Nice move for Novavax today. On that, finally got the FDA approval. They did come off a little bit throughout the session, the shares that is, but still a nice day up 5% when all is said and done. AFRM holdings to the downside as well. Wedbush starting with an underperform. Obviously, the buy now, pay later story comes earlier in the week from Apple taking over that space as well. I want to mention Tesla here, new battery deal for Tesla. It was a good day. We got to 750, but it came off late in the session. Tesla is still positive on the session, but new battery deal for them. Lots to discuss coming up tomorrow. Keep in mind, we get Meta, META. FB is being retired. No more FB as a symbol. So Meta first day tomorrow. We'll talk about CPI a little bit more before Friday as well. Grab the watch list, guys. Bottom end of the screen right now. Use a QR code. We will see you tomorrow on TraderTV.Live.